Why do some pet products look amazing on the shelf, but fall apart the second a real dog or cat gets hold of them? So what happens between the idea of the perfect toy or bowl and the reality of something chewed up, filthy, or sitting untouched in the corner? Here's the truth. Pet products are not just another standard consumer product. You're not only designing for the person buying it, you're designing for the animal that's going to chew it, claw it, sleep on it, and yeah, make a mess with it in ways you didn't plan for. That means it has to be safe for mouths, paws, and fur. It has to survive a dog's jaw or a cat's claws, and it has to clean up easily enough that the owner doesn't give up on it after a week. On top of that, most pet products aren't one simple material. They're usually a mix of plastics, silicone, soft goods, sometimes even electronics, all in the same design. And if those parts don't work well together, that's when you see cracking, separation, leaks, weird wear, or outright failure when it matters most. That's why at Rabbit, we put senior engineers on pet projects from day one. People with decades of hands-on product development experience, not just pretty CAD skills. We use the same core phases: research, design, manufacturing, and launch. But we tailor every step to what pet products actually go through in the real world. We choose materials that are genuinely pet safe, not just convenient. We engineer for chew durability, scratch resistance, and cleaning from the start. And we validate with real in-home testing, because lab tests only tell you part of the story. Compliance and retail requirements can trip teams up too. So we plan for those early, instead of discovering a problem right before launch. Here's the bottom line. If you treat a pet product like a generic gadget, you're inviting toxic finishes, breakage, cleaning headaches, and expensive delays. But when you bring real pet-specific experience into the process, you build in safety, durability, and usability from the beginning. So the product doesn't just make it to market, it actually works for both pets and the people living with them. If I were in your shoes, I wouldn't bet a launch on guesswork and hope. I'd bring in a team that's done this over and over, with engineers who know what it takes to get pet products right the first time. If you want to see how we can help, click the link below and take a look. And if this kind of product development content is useful, subscribe, like, and ring the bell.